In this lesson, we will introduce a very important concept, the AWS Well-Architected Framework. The AWS Well-Architected Framework is a fundamental set of best practices designed to help you build secure, resilient, high-performing and cost-efficient cloud architectures for a wide variety of applications and workloads. At the heart of this framework are 6 key pillars. 1. Operational excellence. This pillar emphasizes the importance of monitoring systems, automating changes and improving operations consistently. It encourages frequent small, reversible updates to reduce risk while focusing on setting clear operational standards and responding effectively to events. 2. Security. The security pillar is dedicated to safeguarding data systems and assets. It promotes the implementation of robust controls to detect and respond to threats, managing access rights effectively, and ensuring data confidentiality and integrity through encryption, logging, and continuous monitoring. 3. Performance efficiency. This pillar focuses on using IT and computing resources in the most efficient way. It encourages selecting the right resource types and sizes based on workload requirements, tracking performance metrics, and embracing evolving technologies to optimize performance over time. 4. Cost optimization. Minimizing unnecessary cost is central to this pillar. Key strategies include selecting appropriately sized resources, monitoring spend patterns, and avoiding over-provisioning. If you're not careful, cloud costs can spiral quickly. For example, continuously deploying high-powered EC2 instances without control could turn your AWS bill into something that resembles a luxury island patches without the beach. The lesson here is simple. Manage resources smartly and monitor your usage with intention or end up poor, like this guy. 5. Reliability. This pillar is about ensuring workloads perform as intended and can recover quickly in the event of failure. It covers topics like designing distributed systems, planning for recovery, and adapting solutions as requirements change, all while maintaining operational continuity. Lastly, 6. Sustainability. The newest pillar focuses on reducing the environmental impact of cloud workloads. It encourages architects to make design and implementation choices that improve long-term energy efficiency and contribute to sustainability goals. Altogether, these pillars guide you in making informed decisions when designing in the AWS Cloud. By applying these principles, you'll be better equipped to build solutions that are robust, adaptive, and optimized for both business performance and technical excellence. With this foundation in place, you're now ready to explore the AWS Management Console and begin building with confidence. I will see you in the next section.